if you are not among those who have retaken the JAMB, you know, this I've told you that JAMB gave the option to retake JAMB because of the madness that went on during the marking of your scores. People were giving crazy scores that really doesn't reflect the effort that you people put. So JAMB has brought out the opportunity for you to rewrite. But then there's something that JAMB said. Look at what they said. Attention, rescheduled 2025 UTME candidate. I'm making this video for those of you that your exam was rescheduled, or if your state was not even rescheduled, this is what you should do right now, right now, right now. Attention, rescheduled 2025 UTME candidate. Did you miss your rescheduled examination for a genuine reason? Kindly raise a ticket to that effect on support.jamb.gov.ng. What did I say? Support.jamb.gov. If you are not seeing this link, if you want me to send it to you in the comment section, let me know. But look at what I said. Support.jamb.gov.ng, stating why you missed the section and where you prefer to write the exam. So JAMB is giving you an alternative. If you missed your own rescheduled exam, you can write it, and you can even state when and where the location you wish to sit for your own exam. Do you understand? Do you understand? For those of you that your state has not been rescheduled, or you checked your own and your own was not rescheduled, and you know that what JAMB gave you is not your score, please and please also click this link, follow it, and tell them, convince them, type something to them, convince them that you deserve to rewrite your JAMB. That just tell them what's happened, why you believe they should give you the opportunity to rewrite your JAMB, and the day, the venue you want to do it. This thing now, I don't want to make this video long. I want you to click on this link now. Support.jamb.gov.ng. Click on it right now. If you have question, please come under the comment of this video and ask me. Tell me your name, the state you wrote your JAMB, and the score they gave you. Just tell me if you believe you should be given an opportunity to rewrite your JAMB. And if you become a member of our YouTube channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, you can feel free to come under the comment of this video and ask me your questions, ask me to guide you, tell me what is bothering you, and together we handle the issue. Remember, support.jamb.gov.ng. You need me to send you the link, let me know right now. There's a video on the screen, click on it and watch immediately now.